I'm Beth Allen of DIY Hip Chicks, and today we will discuss how to replace the cover on a cedar chest. I'll show you how to take an old cedar chest and give it a fresh, comfy new cushion. With some new foam, fabric, and a staple gun, you can make this storage piece double as extra seating. For this project, you will need a staple gun, spray glue, an electric carving knife, foam cushion, and about 1.5 yards of an upholstery weight fabric and a coordinating liner. Keep in mind, if your fabric has a pattern that must be placed in one direction, you may have to cut it and seam the pattern together to allow for pattern flow. For a no-sew option, choose a multi-directional or random pattern like these. I've already removed the lid from the chest. Now lay the lid on a clean, flat workspace. Lay the foam on the surface of the seat and draw the seat's profile on the cushion with a marker. Cut the cushion neatly with a carving knife. Cover the seat with spray glue and gently align the foam on the seat. Lay your fabric good side down on your workspace. Then place the lid, top side down, onto the fabric. Cut the fabric 4 inches wider than the perimeter of the lid. Begin on the longest sides, folding and stapling the fabric around the cushion, keeping it taut but leaving the corners until the end. Carefully tuck and pleat each corner, allowing for very little bulk of fabric. Cut away excess fabric as needed. To finish off your seat, staple liner fabric neatly on the underside of the lid and reattach it.